What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has maintained its value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, it's been quite volatile, but overall it hasn't moved much in value and is currently trading at 0.005173 cents. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next, when is its next potential pump. As you guys clearly would probably know, 2023 so far has been very good for Jasmy in specific, as you can see, consistently going up in value. So is it going to drop down anytime soon, or is it going to keep going up in value? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at when is it a good time to invest into it, or should you sell it, take out your profits, so on and so on. And also obviously looking at its prediction over the short term and also over the long term, over the next few days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we can see Bitcoin has finally managed to hit $21,000 after a good few months. But again, it's a good start to the year, and hopefully we can maintain that and go even higher over the next couple of months as well. So as you can see here, Jasmy in the last hour itself managed to drop 0.5%. Same goes with the last day. Over the week, it has gone up 33% in 7 days, which is absolutely insane. Very good so far. And over the month, 66%. As you can see, it's been dropping since December, and then as soon as it hit 1st of January, it started gaining value, and it's still ongoing right now. And yes, I'm expecting it to go even higher than what it's worth at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped by 38% in the last 24 hours, making it $16 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. However, the only reason why it's dropped is, as you can clearly see, there hasn't been much movement value-wise over the last 24 hours. So most people are just holding on to it right now. They're not buying, they're not selling, they're holding on to what they've got, hence why the trading volume has gone down in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Jasmy at 0.004060 in purple here. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at 0.005192, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that, all of that stuff, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Jasmy to take a little bit of a drop in value, but again, it's not going to be a major drop. It's going to be very minimal, potentially heading down to about 0.005 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, guys, do expect peaks in between and dips as well. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall minimal drop in value in the early hours of tomorrow from Jasmy. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? As you can see, once again, the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the orange line as well. So essentially, we do have both the blue and the orange line heading towards the downside, looking a little bit bearish. However, from my predictions so far, 2023 has been great. So over the next week or so, by early next week, I'm again expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Jasmy, potentially heading up to the 0.006 cents target is what I'm expecting by early next week. However, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall increase in value on Jasmy over the next week. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, now we've taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the coming weeks. So let's say by mid-March to late March 2023, we should be trading above the 1 cent target is what my expectations are from Jasmy. Yes, it may seem like it's a major increase and so on and so on, but if you think about it, there's only 100% increase from what it's worth at the moment. And when I mean only, obviously we have to give it time, so I am giving a good 2.5 months for it to hit the 1 cent target, to go through a 100% increase, which again is 100% achievable. But again, it depends on how the crypto market performs in general, with any major pumps, drops, crashes and so on. This thing will have a major impact, not just on the value of Jasmy, but the whole crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So at the moment, guys, we are looking at the MACD indicator, so I'm going to get rid of this and we're going to bring out the usual Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. Unfortunately, when it comes to Jasmy, there isn't much we can do with the Fibonacci scale. Only reason, as you can see, we are trading not a half a cent at the moment, all the way at the bottom of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone or even hit the resistance target, we need to hit $1.18, which I'm not expecting Jasmy to hit for at least the next couple of years. So for now, it's very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but hopefully as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go, and hopefully hitting the 1 cent target over the next 2.5 months left. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Jasmy, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So guys, comment down below how often you guys want these videos on Jasmy. Comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Is it the 1 cent target, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto, and a lot of you guys have been saying it's a pump and dump token, and others saying, you know, it's going to hit 10 cents, 20 cents, some even not saying $1 by the end of the year, which is a bit of a push. $1 has got a long way to go. So yeah, not a clue when it's going to hit the dollar, but I definitely know this year, guys. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before you click off the video, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So it would mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, as it will help me out a lot and mean a lot to me. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.